Welcome to Woofy Guru, your journey to a life well lived. Remember to like and subscribe. You need to watch this if you struggle with starting a side business from home. Why are more people not talking about this? Starting a side business from home is easier than you think. Begin by identifying your passions and skills. Ask yourself, what do you love doing? What are you really good at? Next, do some research. Find out what's in demand and where the gaps are. This helps you pinpoint profitable ideas that align with your interests. Creating a solid business plan is your next step. Outline your vision, set your goals, and map out strategies. This roadmap will guide your decisions and increase your chances of success. Setting up a dedicated home office is also crucial. Organize your space to minimize distractions and invest in essentials like a comfy chair, reliable internet, and necessary software. Lastly, nail your time management. Balance your side hustle with other commitments by setting clear boundaries and prioritizing tasks. Break time in 0.5s. Ready to elevate your life? Hit like and visit the link in my bio for more.